So this for my invention again. We have this improvised for the CCTV. We put a lamp now. This is much brighter, and it will now cover a wider range. We use a lamp that is available in the market, and it's now connected to the CCTV. It can have a more brighter angle, as you can see. I made the connection now. Okay, good. Okay, good. So this is the CCTV. Okay, very good. We are here now on my room. You can see it's much brighter. It uses only a single light. The light is just a light from the lamp or coming on the CCTV. No other light on the place. So look, it's very good. Very convenient. It's a very good invention. Dwight's invention is very nice. This is my CCTV, and this is how I vlog it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, alright, here we have a vlog, another vlog, and it's, you can see I have a connected on the CCTV a new lamp. This lamp is connected to the CCTV, so the light is coming here, so it flashes much brighter than before. Okay, you can see much brighter. Okay, much brighter. Okay.